Hi, I'm Kate from FLAX Designs, and I want to talk to you just a little bit about what makes FLAX different. I think everyone knows that FLAX is really all about linen. It's what we've done really well for over 30 years, and part of that success comes from the way that we actually produce our clothes. So we work exclusively with European factories. Most we've worked with for the entire 30 years that we've been in business. And we like them not only because of their ethical practices, our focus on sustainability, but they actually custom produce our linens for us, meaning that they will weave it for us, dye it for us, sometimes print it for us, so that it's not just unique, but we know it's extremely well made. I'd like to start with some misconceptions that we hear about linen, just to clear that up right out of the gate. Sometimes people feel that linen can be stuffy. They picture it as lined or fussy, maybe a little stiff. I know a lot of people do come to us and say, oh, I love linen, but I'm worried about the wrinkles. So let's get that out of the way right now. Linen is going to wrinkle. Here at FLAX, we tend to embrace the wrinkles, but I know that's not for everyone. So the one tip that I have for you that I think will help tremendously is because we wash and dry our flax before it even goes out the door. You know that you can wash your linen, lay it flat, and then as it's almost dry or after it dries, you can throw it in the dryer and take out some of the stiffness just to soften it up. That will minimize a lot of the time that you spend standing over an iron or in front of a steamer. Now, I think the best feature of FLAX, aside from who we are as a company and our great practices, is really our comfort. We are always prioritizing the needs of our customer, and that means making sure that we provide a product that's going to get you through all of the different activities that your day may bring. We want your flax to be something that you can travel with, you can sit all day, you can be on the go, you can eat, and it's going to make you really comfortable and get you through your day. So we focus on having our styles be a little bit more generously cut with an emphasis on shaping our clothes without them being fitted, just to maintain that comfort. And what you get is a variety of silhouettes so that we're always offering something for everybody. We're very proud of what we do. We've been around this long because we have a great customer base and we love hearing from you. So we really take that feedback that you give us to heart just to make sure that we're always offering you exactly what you need. If you would like, please feel free to call our customer service line. If you've never tried FLAX before, we can talk you through it. We can get you started with a really comfortable, great piece to start and then build your FLAX wardrobe from there. The number for that team is 888-505-FLAX. You can email them at shopflax@flaxdesigns.com. Please feel free to like and subscribe. See our other videos to get an idea of really what FLAX is all about. And comment below if you have questions, if you have concerns, if you're a first-time FLAX wearer, if you've been wearing FLAX since the beginning. We love to hear from you. So please don't feel like you can't reach out with any kind of question that you've got. I hope you'll consider giving FLAX a chance, and thank you so much.